Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to show you how to edit email template in Woocommerce. Okay, so log into your Woocommerce store and then select Woocommerce plugin, and under it select the settings. Now once you've landed on the settings page, switch to the emails tab. Then from the emails tab, just switch to, scroll down until you are able to see the email template subtitle. Okay. So the first thing you can customize is the logo. So for this case, I'll just use the default logo. And then I can change the logo width if I want. So for now, I think let's double it and see. Anyway, let's use something different like 300. 300 is actually too much. 240, just twice the original size. And then for the header alignment, the header is this particular logo and this title. Okay, so currently it's aligned on the left. So if you want to switch that, we can switch it to center, and as you can see, it has switched to the center. You can leave it to the left if you want. And then for the font family, this now depends with your design requirements. If you have a custom design, however, some of these fonts might not be, maybe some of the custom fonts might not be here. And then for the footer text, you can edit something like this. Maybe you can say, let's see the current one. The current one is the site title, and the country, that's the store address. So you can change it to something that you want, maybe like with love from, and now you should be able to see it right below here. Okay, so you can see with love from Woocommerce. Then you can actually change, what else? You can change this color palette if you want to actually change it to your preference. You can change the texts for the headings and actually everything. Let's just use custom color, like let's say that. And as you can see, the text have changed. So I'll just use the black color. It's much easier for the illustration. So that's how you can change the colors, and then you can actually preview other type of templates. And as you can see, it's showing up very nicely. The other part you can do is to edit the from name. As you can see, I've set it up to Woocommerce. Then from address, you can also provide an email address that will act as the from. Okay, so this is actually how you can update the email template to your preference. Then once you are done, just click on save changes, and that's how your new template will be looking like. So that's it, guys. See you in the next video.